Right, so this is the second page of example solves from the speedsolving.com example solve forum. So yeah. Right, so for the first scramble, we have pair on top and left 5-1 on the bottom. I got an odd count for this. So I'll probably do a Z2, and then, so this becomes even. So for even, I solve it like this, and then just kite scallop, and then yeah. Now we have bird hazard, so we pair this up like this, and then yeah. Now we have JJ with no bar flip, so this is really easy, and yeah, that's it. Right, so for the second scramble, we've got shield barrel. I got an even count for this, so I'm just gonna solve it like this, and then into barrel, and then yeah. Now we have bird gem, so I probably do this, 4 on the bottom, and then yeah, that's OBL. And now we have edge O, so I probably do UU from here into edge, and yeah, that's it. Right, so for the third scramble, we have 3-3 and L. So I got an even count for this, so it's just to reduce the pawn like this, and then yeah. Now we have left X, right X, so we slice, do a F move on the bottom, and then the rest is just a 3 slicer. Right, now we have TY, so I just do 2 CP for this, and then so JJ in front, and then JJ into the back with the bar flip. Right, so for the fourth scramble, we have scallop fist. I got an odd count for this, so I do a Y2, and then we pair the scallop up with the L like this, and then yeah, reduce the scallop kite, and yeah. Now we have good thumb, which is just 2 slices. And now we have HT, so just do 2 CP for this, NJ into another NJ, oops, and yeah, that's it. Right, so for the fifth scramble, we have barrel scallop. I got an even count for this, so I'd probably do a Y2, and then bring this down, pair up the 2 pairs to make scallop, and then yeah, just reduce this like that. Now we have pair arrow. This is good pair arrow, which is 3 slices, so we do this. Yeah, and then now we have BB. This is good BB, which is a 5 slicer, but because the bar is not flipped, we have to cancel into the bar flip like that. Yeah. Right, so now for the sixth scramble, we have left 5-1 and L. Got an even count for this, so I would do this, and then yeah. Right, so now we have bird and Yoshi, so I'll probably just bring it over like this, do a small M move, and then just 2 slices to finish off. And then we're left with GJ, so NN into JJ in front. Yeah. Right, so for the seventh scramble, we have L and left 5-1. I got an even count for this. So this one's just quite straightforward. Match the 2 L's here to make kite on the bottom, and then the rest is just scallop kite. So now we have hazard Yoshi. So this one, we pair this corner with this pair, and then from here do an ET move, and yeah, the rest is quite straightforward. Right, now we have RF. So this is R with the block on the left with the headlights at the back. So I will probably do JJ from the back, and then from here it's just good UUs, cancel into the bar flip. Yeah. Right, so for the 8th scramble, we have left pawn and kite. I got an even count for this, so from here we just reduce to shield square, and yeah. Now we have good pair arrow, so again 3 slices like this. And now we have PC, so I just do M2 into JR, and cancel into the bar flip. Again, should have used the 4 move M2 instead, but yeah, probably that's what I do in a solve. Right, so for the 9 scramble, I got kite, muffin or mushroom, whatever you want to call it. So I got an even count for this. So for this, we just pair this line with this line, do a 3-2, and then we do a negative move on the bottom. And then, yeah, the rest reduces just like that. Now we have right axe gem. So again, pair this, match the gem with a pseudo gem. And again, from here, it's 3 slices. And now we have PN and O. So for this case, what we want to do is we do PJ. So this O goes to the left. So we put the block on the left and we do PJ. And this reduces to AA. And cancel into the bar flip. Yeah. Right, so for the 10 scramble, we have similar fists on top and bottom. I got an even count for this, so I do a Y2 rotation. So from here, we reduce to pawn, do the corner swap thing. And then, yeah. Now we have N and cut. So for this case, I would solve it like this. And then 1 slice to finish off. Now we have SS. This is bad SS, and since the bar is not flipped, I probably do PJ from here, and then into JJ from the back. And yeah, if the bar was flipped, I would do Ajaj into NN, but yeah. Right, so for the 11 scramble, we actually have opposite fists now. So I got an even count for this. So for this case, we do shoot kite with the kite facing front, and then from here, everything reduces just like that. Right, so now we have tie T. So what I'd probably do is do that, and then slice here once, and yeah, 1 slice to finish off. Now I have UG, so it's just 2 CP. So I do JJ from the back and then JN like that. Right, so for the 12th scramble, we have barrel and right paw, and we've got an even count for this. So we make 3-3 like this, bring this corner to the front, and then, yeah, reduce the scallop kite and so on. Now we have gem knight. So we do this, bring the knight over, and then 2 slices to finish off. And now we have SK. So in this case, I would just do Ajaj like this into NJ, and yeah. Right, so for the 13 scramble, we have barrel and mushroom or muffin. Got an even count for this. So what we do is we make kite on top, bring the kite to the back, and then from here we reduce as per normal. Right, so now we have squid knight. So what we do is we line up the squid's head with a knight head and cross this over the slice, and then from here it's just 2 slices to finish off. Right, now we have AU. So since it's aligned like this, I'd probably do JJ from the back into another JJ from the back. So this is 2 CP. And yeah. Right, so for the 14 scramble, we have kite barrel. So I got an even count for this, so I'll probably hold it here since I think it's a bit easier to execute from this angle. So it's just straightforward like that. So now we have cut T. So in this case, we line up this white edge with this white edge, do a F move on top, 1 more U prime, and then 1 slice to finish off. Right, so now we have D Aj. This one I actually have a 6 slice alg for. So put the blocks in front. You line up this Aj with this Aj like this. Then you kind of just do the inverse of the JAlg, but with the first two moves being small moves. There was a bar flip there, I had to cancel into that, but yeah, that's my solution for this case, and yeah. Right, so for the 15 scramble, we have similar fists again. So I actually do a Y2, and then again, reduce to good pawn, do the corner swap thing, and yeah. Now this is good cut kite, so we do M2, and then one slice to finish off. Right, so now we have RT. So most likely what I do for this is just do a JJ from here and just reduce to good UU. And yeah, and cancel into the bar flip. Right, so for the 16 scramble, we have pair and 3-3. Got an odd count for this. I'd probably rotate Y2. So, and then we line up this pair at the back like this and reduce like this to scallop kite. Right, so now again we have good pair arrow, so 3 slices. And then now we have SM. So what we do here is to do, we do J on the bottom to get S, and then we do J on top to get P. So from this angle, I'd probably do JJ from the back. And now we have PS. And so we do this and cancel into the bar flip like this. Yeah. Right, so for the final scramble, we have pair 3-2-1. Got an odd count for this, so what we do is we just make 5-1 like this, and from here reduce to scallop kite. So now we have cut and kite. So this is once again, was it good cut kite? So M2 from here, and then one slice to finish off. Right, so now we have, what's this? This is UF. So from here, what we will do is we do JJ into JR. JJ, and then JR. And yeah, that's it.